birthday. Beauty man. And it feels love it. Blossom of fragrance. So them have all of these flowers over here so you can smell them. Very nice. Beautiful. Butterfly. Give it a smell. Smell good? Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, grapefruit. Oh my god. Guys, I don't know if you smell this. This smells so good. Wow. Wow. I love that. Let's pop it up. Hibiscus sunset. Nice. The grapefruit one smell like a real grapefruit. Like yeah, smell the citrus. It's nice. Love it. Let's see what else. Soft plumeria. Oh. I wonder. Alright, I want a mile. Like cloud all of my senses them like Curlum rose. Divine. Love it. Guys, this is nice. You just come over here and just smell the flowers. When last time do that? Like for real. That's why I smell the roses. Come on. I'm stretching the legs, go outside. When I tell them to go smell nothing when I'm allergic to now, I'm gonna rush up enough and know enough. Plants in the water. I like this. See? Just floating around. And look over there, sir. Different butterflies, sun, all of that. Cute. Love it. You're walking through the garden. When I know one of your favorite Encanto character, if you haven't watched that movie, guys, you should. Look there. Look, this is art. Like, look there, man. Beautiful. Perfection. Love it. Captain Hook. Yep. Peter Pan. You already know. Where's the Tinkerbell though? Where is Tinkerbell? Everything else. Or with the great Eeyore. A vibe. Yes. Tigger and Piglet. Wow, you're a baby favorite. Like, yes! Aww. Love it. It's pretty. Beautiful. You know the great Mickey is there. Yes. Minnie and Pluto. But there, it's nice. That's Pluto. It's pretty, guys, don't you? What a piece of work. I love it. Guys, look at the elephant. No, so they might go add for everything. Alright, I forget a picture right there. So, because elephant is her fave. Ready? Alright. See? Just still trying to look pretty like this. Beautiful. Nice. Very nice. And the menu. Okay. Beautiful. Nice. Like okay, so it's giving zen. It's giving zen, like you're just there and you're just in a mood. You're just in a mood. Not with my vice though. Bamboo tree. I just love that building there. Bamboo tree. When you get your food, you just there, so I'm going to sit down and eat outside. Pretty though. Bamboo tree. And here, beautiful. That's what I like. See? Nice little outside. Oh yeah, we are going inside now to get miso soup. Did that look like a chicken foot a while ago, guys? Alright guys, food is here. Frozen, let it go, let it go. Frozen and Ursula, guys. Yep. Look on this one. Cute. Love it. Love, love, love it. Yep. Ah, look there. Look there. Bambi and friends. It's nice. Nice, nice. Alright guys, finally we find Tinkerbell. Yes! Woo! Beautiful. There's a bird on Goofy, guys. Can you imagine? Oh my god. But here is also like a better view of what I showed you earlier. Pretty. With all of the plants them in the lake. Beautiful.
The surface of the land helps trap water from the flowing mud, extracting precious nutrients and minerals. These elements, when combined with sunlight, create the diverse living systems of our planet. One of those living systems is the rainforest, home to the most amazing concentration of life on our planet. These dense and beautiful forests cover only a tiny portion of the Earth's surface, but they contain more than half of its plant and animal species. Rainforests are also extremely rich and productive living systems, providing us with oxygen, food, medicine, and other elements essential to our lives. In the desert, nature has created a very different, no less beautiful living system. And while this arid landscape may seem lifeless, it is very much alive. The plants and animals that have learned to survive in these harsh conditions make use of what little water they can find and avoid the scorching rays of the relentless sun. The American prairie once appeared as desolate as the desert, but over time, rainwater and nutrients gradually penetrated the hard surface of this land. Even the hooves of the mighty buffalo helped create the rich soil that would one day become home to the American farm. Of all the forces at work on the land, humans have had one of the most profound effects. The need to produce food for a growing world led to the enormous use, and sometimes overuse, of the land. In our search for more efficient ways to grow food, we often fail to realize the impact of our methods. Today, we're learning to live with the land, discovering better ways to grow food that will assure both human and environmental well-being. Will we meet tomorrow's growing needs for food production, yet still respect the needs of the land? Some of the answers are being discovered. The tropics are home to the greatest diversity of plants on the planet. Many of these, like papaya, bananas, cacao, coffee, and rice, are well known around the world. These are just a few of the edible plants that have been an important source of nutrition for people living in the tropics. Many are rich in vitamins and minerals, while others are well adapted to growing in less than ideal conditions. Some, like the water lily, thrive in wet, swampy areas and waterways. All parts of this plant, even the flower petals, are edible. The starchy... When we mention farming, you probably don't think of fish, but fish farming, or aquaculture, accounts for nearly half of all the seafood consumed globally. Tilapia, bass, and catfish, like the ones you see here, are 3 of the more popular crops raised by fish farmers. The sustainable system we're using here recycles the water in the tanks. As a result, we're able to save millions of gallons each year. Our small fish farm produces nearly 5,000 pounds of fish each year to serve in restaurants around Walt Disney World. Innovations like this one can play an important role in our efforts to produce bountiful harvests and still protect natural resources. While there are more than 50,000 edible plant species in the world, most of us are only familiar with the handful that make up our everyday diet. The common grains growing here, wheat, maize, sorghum, and millet, plus rice, account for nearly 2/3 of our global food consumption. Learning how to increase yields of these staples is an important goal of research around the world. While more efficiently using resources like water, fertilizer, and pesticides. Another innovation at work here is our integrated pest management program. By populating our greenhouses with beneficial insects that prey on harmful pests, like aphids and flies, we are significantly reducing our reliance on conventional pesticides. We're growing... Some of our best ideas have been inspired by nature, like these fruit and vegetable trees. By growing these ground plants vertically, we can increase yields and better control diseases. These crops taste as good as they look. In fact, we serve more than 15 tons of produce from our greenhouses in restaurants here at the land every year. It's like this vertical growing system. Plants grown in this way use a fraction of the space required by traditional growing methods. That saves water. The fish provide a natural source of fertilizer for the plants, and the plants help keep the water clean for the fish. It's another great way to produce more while using less. In our lab,